Hello guys. Today we will see how to screenshot on Windows. Let's go then. Taking a screenshot on a Windows computer is a simple process, and there are several methods to do it. Here are the most common ways. Number 1. PrtScn. PrtScn key. To capture the entire screen, press the PrtScn key. The screenshot is copied to your clipboard. To capture only the active window, press Alt plus PrtScn. The screenshot of the active window is copied to your clipboard. Number 2. Snipping tool, Windows 7 or Snip and Sketch, Windows 10 and 11. You can use these built-in apps to capture specific portions of the screen. Search for Snipping tool or Snip and Sketch in the Windows search bar, open the app, and follow the on-screen instructions to capture and save your screenshot. Number 3. Snip and Sketch, Windows 10 and 11. Press Win plus Shift plus S to open Snip and Sketch. Select the area of the screen you want to capture. The screenshot is copied to your clipboard. Number 4. Windows key plus PrtScn, Windows 8 and 10. Pressing Windows key plus PrtScn captures the entire screen and saves it as an image file in your screenshots folder within the Pictures library. Number 5. Windows plus Shift plus S, Windows 10 and 11. Opens the Snip and Sketch tool to capture a portion of the screen. Number 6. Windows plus PrtScn, Windows 8 and 10. Captures the entire screen and saves it as an image file in your screenshots folder within the Pictures library. The method you choose depends on your specific needs and the version of Windows you're using. After taking a screenshot, you can paste and edit it in an image editing software or directly into a document or image editor. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.